morning, guys. Welcome to another video. Today we are going to be replacing the stock fog lights on my 325xi. The only thing I'm going to say is that my under panel belly, whatever the fuck you want to call it, I don't have it, so that's going to be one less step for me to do, and like I'll just get right to it. So I'm going to slide, like I'm going to go from under the car, I'm going to jack it up, I'm going to slide under, and I'm just going to rip the old ones out, slide this one back in, and plug it in, and it should work. And I'll show you guys a before and after and how it looks. So I'm gonna show you guys into the car. Normally here, you guys probably have like there's like a shield of plastic. I think it's called a water shield or whatever. I don't. So for me, it's gonna be super easy. There's my bulb right there. I'm literally just gonna take it out. Well, I'm gonna unplug it. Then I'm gonna take it out, replace it with the new one, and I'll show you guys a side-to-side comparison with the stock versus the aftermarket bulbs. Okay, so the first thing I did to take this out is I literally turned it counterclockwise and pulled it back, and now I have this out. Now I'm gonna remove the clips. That's these fucking clips, man. That's what makes the job so hard. These clips. These BMW clips, legit.
Stop!
Oh, there's 3 clips, and they click in once the car. What am I English? Okay, there's 1, 2, 3 clips, and they all like click in once you push the fog light in. Oh, this was burning too. Anyways, look, you see it? It's all foggy. You see it? Yeah. Anyways, this was gonna burn anyway, so this is a good time. Oh, this is even broken. What the? How did that even break? Anyways, this was a good time to change them. Okay. Oh, that was alright. So this is the old one. So on this piece, there are like clips here, but I use like a little tool to just lift these things on all the sides, and it literally just came out like easy. I just destroyed my hand. Turn the car on and show you guys like a before and after with the new one in there versus the old one that's right there. Yay! Okay, so this is the aftermarket white one. Notice how it's even brighter than my what's it called? My regular, it's my xenon lights, and that is my old OEM yellow one. And there's a big difference between the two. So now I'm just gonna change out the other one, and that should be it. It's really that simple. Wait. The hair. Okay. I have to fix the hair. Okay. Yeah. So it's not necessary for me to show you the exact same process. You turn it out, you take it out, you remove the clips, put the new one back on, you slide it in the opposite way of the way you took it out, and that's it. Like it's that simple. I'm not gonna show it again, but I'll show you guys the after effects. No, the after. I'll show you guys what it looks like after I'm finally done doing it.
I'm a mechanic. And right now we are gonna fix Julian's rust under the car. No, don't start the car! Julian!
When you get under a car, this is a tip, buy one of these fucking things. This one has like one brighter or something, red, and party mode.
Forehead brighter than your future.
I don't even think I did it. I have no idea.
That's awkward.
Ooh.
My mom. Hello? Hi. Hi, I'm at Julian's.
Oh, that's so much better. So that's that, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If it was helpful, if you liked it, drop a like. For the project on the car, I'm actually gonna be tinting the fog lights out yellow. So if you're interested, stay tuned, subscribe if you wanna stay posted with all the updates that I'm gonna be doing to this car. Till then, guys, I'll catch you next video. Peace.